Hello 10th class. Today topic is fracture. So what is fracture? Simply you can, and you know also what is fracture. Fracture is breakup of bones. When bone is divided in two parts. Two parts. When bone is divided in two parts by external force. Okay, it may be the partially divided, mild, slightly, okay, and severe also. So it is called the fracture. And there are two category of fracture: open fracture and closed fracture. Open fracture, that is, when bone is divided in two parts and it comes out from the skin, it is called the open fracture. Now closed fracture, skin, the it it does not come out from the skin. When bone is divided in two parts, a breakup of bone, but it does not come out from the skin, it is called the closed fracture. Now come another point, that is how many types of fracture. So different types of fracture, okay. I maybe the 8, 9, 10, okay. So generally it is 10 types of fracture. Okay, first fracture, that is simple fracture. Another fracture, multiple fracture, oblique fracture, compound fracture, and comminuted fracture, transverse fracture, green stick fracture. Green stick fracture is also called the hairline fracture. Complicated fracture. Okay, so these are the types of fracture. Now, you know, generally these question comes, how many types of fracture, or question comes like that only, and list the types of fracture. So you will mention the only name of the fractures. Now, but one fracture which comes of 3 marks, that is stress fracture. It is given in your book also, separately it is given in your book. So stress fracture. Stress fracture is a small fracture. It is also called the hairline fracture or green stick fracture. How it comes, how, okay. Now this fracture by external force, muscle contraction, when pressures comes from the external objects, by jumping, suddenly movement, then then this kind of fracture comes. But what I'm saying, this is called the hairline fracture. That means hairline means simple line. It seems like that nothing happened in the body or bone. Okay, slight lines comes, or it is no it heal up, it heals after 7 days or 15 days. Easily he can heal up slightly. When somebody, you are running on the ground or not running, maybe you are standing, suddenly somebody forced you. So this is the, it just happens that when muscles contracts and body does not support to the bear this external pressure or force, so it breaks slightly, lines come over the bone. Okay, now you can mention the causes. you know Overweight also, weak muscles and bones, you know not doing the proper warming up, faulty equipments, jumping in hard surface, jumping in uneven space. So this type of cause. Okay, now another point, symptoms: swelling, pain, burning sensations, inflammations, and movement restrictions. It does not move properly, slightly, it feels like pricking something on the affected area. So this is the symptoms. Now another point you will mention here, that is first aid or treatment. So first aid or treatments we already discussed many times. In all the sports injuries you can mention treatment, Pricer method. Okay, Pricer method simply. Then last, that is referral to the doctor only. Okay, now this is the stress fracture. Now come another point, this is also important for you to explain: plantar fasciitis. This is plantar fasciitis. I think it's a scientific name, biological you can say also, plantar fasciitis, I think. And it affects the heel part of the foot. What it affects? Heel part of the foot. Heel part of the foot. So in heel part there are a web like ligaments. It ruptures, which connects to heel to the front of the foot, and it works like these web like ligaments works like a shock absorber when you are jumping, and it supports to the walking. Okay, it supports to the foot. It supports to the arc of the foot, which is appears arc on the bottom of the foot. Or sometime and another point for this important, that it's pricking. So it seems like that something is pricking like a needle, you can say, on the bottom. और एंड आप लोग शायद कहते भी होंगे कुछ चीज़ चुभ रहा है, जैसे पैर के बॉटम में नीचे से ऐसा लगता है कुछ चुभ रहा है। दिस इज, इसको शायद एक सिंपल लैंग्वेज में जो बोलते हैं किल्ली, ऐसा लगता है कुछ चुभ रहा है, थोड़ा सा वॉक करते चुभ रहा था, प्लांट ऑफ द। लेकिन व्हेन another point, sometime it's damages the web like ligament, but sometime what happens, generally main cause of this plantar fasciitis, achilles tendons become very hard. Achilles tendons become very hard. That's why it does not support to the foot, especially when you are walking, when you are putting your foot on the surface. Okay, so this is called the plantar fasciitis. Now causes: overhill. If you are using hill for long time, becomes this tendons becomes hard. Another point, overweight also, uneven surface. You are playing for long time, uneven surface. And another point, which is here also muscles become weak and they just rupture the web like ligaments. Okay, now this is the cause. Now symptoms: pain, slight swelling there, even the burning sensations feels there. And even when you are putting your leg on the flat surface, it feels like that it is pricking something in our bottom. Okay, now so this is the now symptoms. Now another point, which is another treatment, same Pricer method you can use here. Which use Pricer method you can use. Okay, so this is the simple topic, and we will discuss more injuries which you can understand easily, but sometime it is not proper explained in the book. So in simple language, it may be the generally now you can explain in your own language also. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. We will meet again in next video. Okay, bye.